If you have been adjusted before by a chiropractor, you may have noticed a popping sound that may seem a little strange. Early on, it was thought that the popping sound was associated with unhealthy joints. But as far back as the 1930s, scientists were showing that this also occurs in perfectly healthy joints. So keep this in mind next time you get adjusted by your chiropractor, that the popping sound doesn't have anything to do with bones grinding or rubbing, but instead is simply gas bubbles forming within a joint as your adjustment separates the two joint surfaces that are very close together.